Assemble the brewster next to a sink with a water tap and near a normal power outlet. Place the base on a flat surface next to the sink. The counterflow chiller is arranged around the base. Uncoil the cord from the bottom of the kettle and place the kettle on the base. The ball valve with flow control and bazooka screen is mounted in the hole in the kettle. Remember, a gasket should be both on the inside and outside of the hole. Connect the counterflow chiller to the flow control. Mount the tap connector to the tap. The tap connector fits both taps with inside and outside thread. First, dismount your tap's own filter, then mount the tap connector. Insert the 10 mm tube into the tap connector. The other end of the same tube is connected to the left valve on the flow control. Plug the power cord into the socket and you're ready to fill the brewster.